Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Sonic here. All right, we are on 28th of March 2018. Okay, we will be talking about midweek recap of week number 13, 2018. So let's take a look. All right. Okay, so let's start with gold here. Okay, so what is happening in gold? Okay, we have a very good move, very strong move on Monday. All right, Monday, and it was a follow up for last week, right? And they take out quite a lot of short trader. All right, but there will still be quite a bit of stubborn short trader that hoping the market will go down. Okay, so Tuesday after Monday itself, Tuesday we have a bit of sell down. Okay, to me this kind of sell down should be like kind of normal, all right, because as you can see currently we are in the very good resisting zone, right? Very good resisting zone. That's the reason why we are seeing the sell down on Tuesday. It doesn't mean that okay from Tuesday onward it's gonna be a downtrend. Okay, so please always remember that do not just trade on the current situation alone. You need to anticipate certain movement, and you need to validate them, and you need to add action on them, not just because of current market is going up or going down. If you trade on that, basically you will be end up, is considered, it will definitely will be called emotional trading. So this is how the market will get you sooner or later. All right, so Tuesday we have a bit of sell down. Okay, but in my opinion now I'm a little bit careful now, careful already, because I was expecting some sort of market to sell down to here, right? Eventually it will go back up. Looks like the sell down may not be occurring anymore, so they might be the upward move is on track from now onward. So I'm looking at this level very closely at the moment. If the price ever swing up to 47 to 50 level, in my opinion they can go up a lot higher already. Okay, of course the next a bit of typical resistance will be this region, which is around 1363 to 1365 level. So market is not that bearish anymore, guys. Ground is moving. Careful a little bit. Okay, so since I've been talking a little bit more on the bullish point of view, okay, where will be the good resistance? So of course the first resistance we have already seen here, 1341, and another strong region will be around 1325 level. So put it this way, as long as these levels are not being broken again, I think the likelihood of upside is very high. Okay, so put it the way, I am a little bit more on the slightly bullish side already in terms of goals. Okay, I want to see, since I'm talking on the weekly time frame, I want to see from the weekly aspect from time to time, instead of going to the very low time frame, because low time frame is you need to have a proper time commitment to monitor, analyze. Weekly time frame, okay, you just can do it weekly, and you just change your direction, or you just change your position accordingly only. It's pretty stress free. Okay, so after gold, let's take a look at Dow Jones. Okay, if you notice, Dow Jones, we have last week we have a good sell down on the fear of what we call it a trade war, right? Then they have what they have done so far. They have created a very good support and resistance around this region. Okay, so market try to break up again, and they are also failed to do so. So you see what is happening here is that whoever short because of last week was bearish, now they are trapped already. And whoever long, of course, they might not be making a lot of money at the moment. See, so that's what exactly the market does. They want to confuse people. All right. So what exactly happening is we are still nothing much but in a triangle kind of period. So of course, sooner or later they have to swing up or swing down. So the likelihood of swing down first is quite, in my opinion, the swing down first is on the card. So in my opinion, what might happen is that they will swing down. Maybe they will go back to here. All right. Then I think from there they may swing back up from there. But the likelihood of swing down is pretty high in my opinion. The reason so because when the market is selling down and when the market was so-called rebounding, a lot of people are in it again. Same thing, what they will put their stop loss around this region. So I think the likelihood of going back for a retest is very high. So around this region, yeah. Okay, let me move my mouse here. I will be talking about 23,000 level. All right, this level will be a very good support for this case. So let's see. All right. Okay, next we have a euro US dollar. Euro US dollar is similar to gold as well. They have a pretty good swing up over the Monday and last weekend. So currently they are in the pretty strong bullish looking candle for the past 2 weeks, and they have successfully so-called tested one time, but they haven't really successfully break up yet. So I'm looking at it closely. If let's say this week break up and close above this level, I think the likelihood of going up is higher from there onward already. Of course, the next movement level will be around 1.255, 1.253 level. So I'm not overly bearish for a time being. Okay, so let's see. So I'm expecting the price, in order for me to bullish, right, I have to see this price have to be above this level first. Okay, let's say this week end with the bearish candle, or soon they will start to show the bearish candle. Okay, then I will start to be reducing my long view on toward this pair. All right, so please always remember we are more like a conditional trading. We are not entirely bullish or bearish at all time. Okay, so for now I'm leaning toward bullishness. Okay, same thing on the British pound as well. We have a pretty decent breakout last week, and now this week is actually simply just a follow-up. All right, so I'm expecting they can go up to this level, such as like 1.43 level sooner or later. Okay, if you are looking for a long-term short or long-term bearishness, okay, definitely I would say not now. All right, because you want to short, at least let the candle to show you on the bearish point of view first. Always remember, candle is nothing more than the momentum, right? If you want to short, fine, wait for a candle to be as promising as possible in order from the view of bearishness. All right, so this on my British pound as well. Okay, so what else do we have? Okay, let's talk about WTI. WTI. Okay, WTI is this is oil. All right, as you can see here, last week we have a very strong bullish candle as well. All right, so this week, as usual, they are pretty much similar to gold as well here. They have this week here. They have a they have reached to the resistance levels. That's why they are sort of pulling back. Does it mean that they are going to sell all the way down or what? I don't think so. Okay, so let the pullback to be so-called to finish out first, right, to weaken again. So that means they can go down to here. All right, they can even go down to here, but I think it will be better if we wait for a bullish candle to go up and long again. I think sooner or later they will break above $66 sooner or later already. So this is what I have to see. All right, let's see what else do we have. Okay, the rest is pretty much on the similar fashion. Okay, let's talk about Hong Kong here. Okay, Hong Kong also very similar as Dow Jones, right? Hong Kong also very similar. They are pretty much on the range mode as well. They are pretty much on the range mode as well. So let's take a look further how it does. Okay, but Hong Kong can be a little bit bearish as well. Okay, because we have a pretty strong bearish engulfing candle candle last week. So what I'm trying to say here is similar to Dow Jones. I think if we wait for a long with a bullish candle around here will be the better idea. Okay, so I'm sure you will notice this time around the way that I'm analyzing is slightly different, because one thing is, of course, I'm on the higher time frame and I'm talking more that you better to wait from better to wait from here, or look this kind of condition, because I want to emphasize more on the conditional analysis rather than the reaction analysis. Reaction analysis is, in my opinion, it doesn't really make money in the long run, and a lot of emotion involved. Because since the word itself is already say you so already. Reactional mean there is some sort of like there's a lateness involved already. That means you are late for a certain degree over there. All right, so yep, thank you very much, and this is all I have for this week, and we meet again next week. Thank you.